Hello dears! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare another anti-wrinkle mask recipe. To prepare this recipe, we will need wheat flour. Wheat flour absorbs sweat, increases elasticity, tightens the face. Instead of wheat flour, you can substitute rice flour, cornstarch, or oat flour. For this anti-wrinkle recipe, we need more eggs. Benefits of eggs for the skin. 1. Reduces wrinkles and tightens the skin. The proteins and amino acids in eggs strengthen the skin, accelerate cell regeneration, and smooth wrinkles. 2. Supports collagen production. Lysine and proline in eggs are important amino acids involved in the formation of collagen. This increases skin elasticity. 3. Reduces skin pores, especially egg white. Egg white tightens the skin, thereby, enlarged pores shrink. Sebum secretion decreases. Skin looks smoother. 4. Nourishes the skin. Egg yolk. Egg yolk contains a large amount of omega fatty acids, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E. These ingredients deeply nourish dry skin, reduce dehydration, and make it soft. 5. Brightens complexion. Egg whites draw out excess oil and dirt from the skin, cleanse the skin, and make it lighter. 6. Benefits for acne, blackheads, and oily skin. White. The astringent properties of egg whites help oily skin, draws out blackheads, reduces oil, cleanses pores. 7. Makes the face smooth and tight. Egg whites give the face a lifting effect. The skin appears lifted in 15 minutes. Which skin type is suitable for? Egg white, oily skin, combination skin, skin with large pores, egg yolk, dry skin, normal skin, tired dehydrated skin, wrinkled skin. We'll need more bananas for this anti-wrinkle recipe. Benefits of banana for skin and wrinkles. 1. Powerful natural anti-aging agent. Banana is also called natural Botox. The vitamins A, C, E it contains rejuvenate the skin, soften wrinkles, and make the skin smooth. 2. Boosts collagen production. The silicon contained in bananas is very important for the formation of collagen. This tightens the skin and increases its elasticity. 3. Fills wrinkles from the inside. The antioxidants in bananas eliminate harmful free radicals in the skin, thereby slowing down aging. With regular use, fine wrinkles disappear faster. 4. Deeply moisturizes and softens the skin. Banana is a powerful moisturizer. It has a very good effect on dry skin, nourishes the skin, makes it supple and soft. 5. Evens out and brightens skin tone. The vitamin C in bananas reduces melanin production, resulting in skin that brightens, evens out, reduces dark spots. 6. Reduces inflammation. The natural ingredients in bananas soothe redness, irritation, and irritation on the skin, even for sensitive skin. 7. Reduces puffiness and dark circles. Banana helps reduce puffiness and dark circles under the eyes, creating a soothing effect on the skin. Which skin types are suitable? Dry skin, normal skin, wrinkled skin, tired, dull skin. Also suitable for oily skin, but you need to balance the ingredients. Example, banana, plus egg white, plus lemon or yogurt. For this recipe, we will need aloe vera gel. Aloe vera, powerful rejuvenator, increases collagen production, soothes and restores skin.